Yo, it's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about patience. Now, patience for the most part is undesirable. It's not ideal. It's frustrating. It's a horrible process to life that we don't like for the most part. But we have to accept it. And with patience comes character building. With patience comes allowing. With patience comes the realization that you're not in control. With patience comes the dilution of your ego. With patience comes more thinking, more worry, more doubt, more uncertainty. But with patience comes more celebration of your wins, more happiness, more determination when you get there. And the reason I say this is because with patience, you build a resilience of knowing that physically you're doing the work and you may not get any accolade for doing the work, but spiritually, there's somebody like a referee noting down all the hard works and efforts that you do. And when you really get to the point of life where you feel like you've made it, or you've accomplished something, you will feel spiritually tied with these unseen energies to the point where you say, okay, somebody in the astral realm or a great ancestor or something was watching over me whilst I was putting in the work. At midnight, I was up editing videos. I was in the recording studio doing this. I was playing football training day in, day out. That is what patience shows us spiritually, is that there's always somebody watching us no matter what we're doing. Okay? Because the physical realm loves to... The physical realm is where doubt actually manifests. Because it's the physical realm where we see people get claps on the back for their accomplishments. They get claps on the back for their accomplishments. They seem to have instant success, clout, recognition, all these things. However, we don't know their backstory. We don't know their failures. We don't know times where they were crying to become the star that they wanted to become. We don't know the days where maybe their mom and dad were sacrificing their time, their money into their investments, because some people look like they did it from Jack Jones, nothing. These times they may have been funded from their family and things of this nature. So sometimes we don't have the bigger story to some people's come up, okay? So it's the physical realm which likes to trick us out of position. However, if we stay concentrated on our goals, we accept and allow and understand that there's certain energies that are associated with us. There's certain karmic contracts that we signed up to before we even came here. We will realize that by doing the work, a lot of things will come to our awareness to overstand that, to understand that, to understand that. So by continually doing the work, you'll get more hunches you get more hunches, you get more intuitive guides that will tell you, okay, go this way, go that way. And it wasn't actually your purpose to go this way in the first place, because some people may think that they were supposed to be a footballer, they were supposed to be a musician, or they were supposed to be a film director. But little did they know that was just a gateway to actually become maybe a sound engineer or a graphics designer or something similar of the nature. Okay, so sometimes we always look for that number one thing, and we should, but ace whatever you're good at, because it's only by doing new things and being patient on your goals to then you'll find what is really your purpose in life. Okay, so this is it. You want to do everything, be creative. As a kid, we drew, we painted, we sang songs, we did math, we played with Lego, which is building, which is understanding concepts, geometry, and then long story short, that kid playing with Lego may just become an architect, because we are always manifesting, even as kids. So a best way to really tap into your true purpose is really look into what was you attracted to as a kid, and get back into that kid state, get into that kiddie state where you can remember all the things you like to do in life, to then do the 360 later in life to know what is your true purpose. Because a lot of people think that they're supposed to be this guy or that woman or this diva and that diva, but mainly that's based upon the ego, because they see that's what everyone does. I was from a society where people would say, you either do fraud, sell drugs, or what's the other one? You either sell drugs, do crime, aka fraud, or you become a footballer or athlete. Those are three dogmatic, systematic programs given to us. And we accept it. Okay? So stop accepting these conditions that are given to us. There's more to life than these three conditions that are told to us as kids. And unfortunately, 3 is a magic number. So what this does is it now allows itself to have an oversoul on us, and we get trapped in this magic triangle of, we're supposed to only be athlete or doing illegal crimes. Like, come on, there's more to life than that. So this is it. Get outside these boxes and paradigms, and realize that patience and coming out of your comfort zone is the only way you're going to find out what you're supposed to truly do in this life. Okay? So this is it. By doing certain things like astral readings, astrological readings, synastry charts with partners, and sometimes, like me and my wife, she's got a business and I help her out on her business doing certain aspects. These are the kind of things you need to tap into, because a lot of our life is based upon spiritual, contractual karma. And the quicker you find out what your spiritual contract is, the easier it is to find out what your real goals are. I am a holistic person who looks at everything top down, which is spiritual, mental, physical. Tap into this. Tap into the spiritual, mental, physical aspect to life, top down, and it'll be easier to navigate this reality. Because if you only look at things physical, you're going to get to a block, because the physical reality is based upon 4 energies: earth, air, fire, water. And this creates a square. But there's more energies that you need to tap into on different dimensions. So don't get stuck within this physical reality. Okay? So contact me if you need to know more about yourself, and I can assist you moving forward, because right now we're moving into a time of more uncertainty, and the only way out is within, and the only way out is through sovereignty, which is being self-sufficient. If not, you'll be subjected to external factors that may not be desirable for you, that may not be what you really want, but because of your lack of options or maybe lack of knowledge in certain fields, you're now subjected to these undesirable effects. And with that being said, peace. Patience is key.